It offers an opportunity to learn how to weld, but we don't just weld. We also use oxyacetylene cutting, we use plasma cutting, we use CNC work. So it gives them a wide range of skills that they can use to go out and get a variety of jobs.
You're going to have to learn how to do math, your English, you have to learn how to blueprint, social skills, you got to learn how to communicate, that's for sure. And other than that, you fail in this class, like not grade-wise, but like, certifications or project-wise, there's always a chance to do it all over again. So we're showing them like it's okay to fail, you just got to get back on your feet and just try again. So if you get a job and they tell you, you don't get the job, okay, that's fine. Go to another one, show your social skills, show your work, show your work ethic that we show you. So, I'm here every day. I'm willing to work every day. It's a playground every day, so it gets exciting. So that's the main thing, it's always hands-on, so which is the best. I'm still learning with the children, so that's best for the kids. It's still, experience that I'm getting in there is, the same experience they're getting. They teach me stuff, I learn from them also, so that's just the best thing about it.
Well, having real life experience is going to allow me to show these students what it's like to actually go out there and do the work and perform the tasks that they need to do.
Just that way, just showing them that, we don't know it all. Like, I'm always open up to other ideas or questions. If they have an idea, I'm willing to go with it. My ideas might be better, like their ideas might be better than mine, so on, so on. It's just all just, again, hands-on. I'm always open up to any suggestions. That's the best thing about it. I'm not here learning what my boss is. I'm here learning with the students, see how they work, see if I'm willing to be a teacher one day. I just want to, that's just kind of how it is. Like, I'm just always open up to, their experiences and all that.
That we try and instill a lot of safety mindset to these students. That way when they go out there, there's not really going to be anybody out there looking out for them when it comes to safety except themselves. So if we can instill a whole lot of safety mindset in them, they're going to be better off out there. They're going to be in a safer work environment.